video to the real bros. If you guys can see, normally I do a video with my bro. It has been long since we've posted, but we're gonna be playing the Ice Cream Man. It's been a long time since we have posted, so we're back with another video. I'm by myself, so we're gonna be playing to this game, of course. It's old game. I know people don't play it no more, but bro, we have to bring a Happy New Year to you guys. We have to bring 2026 back to 2016, bro. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, I already did too much. I already skipped ahead. Like, is this kind of rude of me? Or am I doing the right thing? I just have to hurry up! I'm gonna break his two ankles by juking him. Only a bit back. You wanna take my friend? Chill, hold on. Yeah, break his leg, break his leg. Yeah. See how I'm breaking his leg? Guys, gotta be sometimes you can do the right thing. I'm doing the wrong thing, but I think I got the code. I think. Oh, please tell me I have the code. Let's go! I have the code. I'm kidding, bro. Shut the hell up! If you don't shut up, he's gonna come for us. We need travel to the neighborhood to use the key. Matter of fact, I don't know why I'm even saving you. Like, I'm supposed to just leave you to die. You're not even worried about getting out of here. You're just worried about getting early to dinner. Well, shut the hell up! Well, I'm about to end this video right here, even though shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. What the fuck? So, as you guys can see, as soon as I get the fuck out of there, this guy fucking popped out from the middle of nowhere. turned it on, see his face? Bro, you see me, I'm not even that scared though. Chubby he is. Why is it falling down? Oh, not now. Don't tell me to act. Oh my God, Amy. Oh, imagine he just do that 360, then jumps. No, then starts actually running at me and it slaps the fuck out of me. Like that would just be crazy. I'm definitely not that one. I'm definitely not that scared.
Is anybody watching?
See that? That was light work. That was light work right there. I wasn't definitely breathing in you guys' faces. Look at me. This is light work. Go get your ugly ass over here. I'm gonna shoot your face off. Guys, I might have to end it here, but just to entertain you guys, get your ugly ass out of here. Oh, I even got the ad meanwhile. See you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. The Real Lost Bros.